In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly sync your Monday.com workspace with your Outlook calendar. We all know how crucial staying on top of our schedules is, especially in a fast-paced work environment. Whether it's keeping track of project deadlines, meetings, or simply planning your day, having a synchronized calendar can be a game changer. That's why today, I will take you through a step-by-step guide on integrating your Monday.com workspace with your Outlook calendar, ensuring you never miss a beat. First things first, you'll want to start on the homepage of your Monday.com account. If you're not already logged in, now's the time to do so. Once you've accessed the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout, as this will be our jumping-off point. Next up, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll find your profile icon. Give it a click. This action will bring up a menu offering several options, but for our purpose today, you're going to want to look for the Automations option. This is where Monday.com allows you to customize and automate workflows, but it's also the pathway to setting up integrations, which is exactly what we're interested in. After selecting Automations, navigate to the Integrations option. This step is crucial as it opens the door to a wide range of applications that Monday.com can integrate with, including Outlook. The magic of Monday.com is in its ability to work seamlessly with other tools we rely on daily, and by exploiting this feature, you're optimizing your workflow efficiency. Upon clicking Integrations, you'll be directed to a page filled with various app icons. Your task here is to locate the Outlook calendar. You might need to scroll through or use the search function to find it faster. Once you've spotted the Outlook calendar icon, click on it. This action will reveal a range of template options tailored to different needs and preferences when syncing Monday.com with Outlook. Take a moment to review these template options. Each serves a unique purpose, whether it's creating new items on your board for upcoming Outlook events or updating events based on changes made within Monday.com. Once you've identified a template that suits your needs, click on Use Template. This indicates that you've chosen a framework to establish your integration. Following the selection of your desired template, the next step involves selecting a board from your Monday.com workspace. This is a crucial step because it specifies where the information from your Outlook calendar will be displayed or interacted with. Select a board that you frequently use or one that's central to your scheduling and planning processes. Now, the final piece of the puzzle involves connecting your Outlook account to Monday.com. This step is designed to be straightforward and secure. Upon selecting your preferred board, you'll be prompted to connect your Outlook account. Follow the on-screen instructions to authenticate and grant the necessary permissions. This step ensures that Monday.com can access your Outlook calendar information, enabling the sync to function as intended. And there you have it. Just like that, you've successfully set up the integration between your Monday.com workspace and your Outlook calendar. From now on, any updates or events in your Outlook calendar can reflect within your chosen Monday.com board, and vice versa, depending on the template you selected. Remember, this integration is designed to make your life easier, providing a synchronized view of your tasks and events across platforms. Take some time to explore the various features and functionalities this integration offers, and don't hesitate to adjust your settings or switch templates as your needs evolve. That's all for today's tutorial on syncing your Monday.com workspace with your Outlook calendar. By following these steps, you've taken a significant step toward optimizing your task management and scheduling efficiency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and guides. Stay organized and see the impact this synchronization can have on your productivity and peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.